Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn an ebook into a PDF. So if you wanted to convert your ebook into a PDF and you don't know how, and there is also no default convert to PDF on that specific tool. So what you're going to do here is you just have to look for a certain or specific tool that can help you convert your ebook to PDF. So as you can see, this is an example of ebook. And if you wanted to convert this into PDF, just go to any web browser and then type ebook to PDF or convert ebook to PDF. There is this PDF filter. All you have to do is to upload that specific ebook file and then convert this into PDF. Also, if you can't have access to this, then there are other tools like this one, but some of these tools are not for free, or for example, this one, sometimes it cannot detect a specific file, and usually you need to pay for that in order for it to convert. And even if you have downloaded this, then you can see that file. So I highly suggest you go to ebook to PDF. All you have to do is to upload that ebook file right here. And then you will see this convert. You have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is converting the file. So you will see that if it reaches 1%, you will see the download. And all you have to do is to download this file right here. You will be notified that it's now starting to download. Just go to your download folder, double tap, then you will see the result right here. Okay, so this is how you convert your ebook into PDF. And as you can see, it's the same thing, same words, paragraph, and also images. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.